Welcome to Oi Oi Cooking Gems, part of the 50 Shades of Green. Today we are carrying on with our convenience food slow cooker cook-off. We are going to do a savoury mince ready for cottage pie, which I'm going to do the potatoes as and when I use the savoury mince. So what I'll do is make the savoury mince in the slow cooker using some minced beef, some mixed herbs, Worcester sauce, oxo. I've got some sliced mushrooms, and I've got a vegetable base mix of onion, carrots and celery, which pretty much goes in everything you make, but it's convenient. You can get it from Asda, frozen, as and when they've got it in. It thaws within 4 minutes of being out of the freezer. And the sliced mushrooms are a convenience thing as well. So this is part of the convenience food in the slow cooker. So without further ado, again, all we've got to do is move the camera across, turn the slow cooker on to high, and this beef mince I've got is going to be for 2 meals, because it's a kilo. So I'm going to put 500 grams in there and keep 500 grams back for a chilli, which I'll probably do tomorrow. So we're going to cut this down the middle, and then just, I've got clean hands, it goes in, and then just break it up, because as you know, mince in a packet is, so that's broken up as much as we want it. I've got half a bag of celery, carrot and onion. It's like a bonmoire. It'll add flavour. It's a small dice of the Trinity, as I call it. That will nearly disintegrate. You know, it will produce a lot of flavour, a lot of depth to the sauce, and with the Lewin Perrins Worcestershire sauce, oh, this is going to be a very nice. And sliced mushrooms now. A heavy splash of Worcestershire sauce. We all know it's made not far from where we live. I live in Droitwich. It's made in Worcester, which is about 8 miles away from where I live. Beautiful. Adds a couple of oxo cubes. All I'm doing is squash them in the thing, and then there you go. You ain't got to, you're not getting messy, you're not touching it. So that's the oxo. Just going to put some mixed herbs and parsley in, and then I don't think I'm going to put a lot of stock of water in this. So what I'm actually going to put in is a made up gravy. which I've got in my fridge. Which is about 300 mils of gravy, which has already been made up. So it's just a gravy which I had left over from Sunday dinner. So again, all we've got to do is leave it on high for 4 hours or on low for 6 to 8 hours, and then let's come back to it and see what it looks like. So I'm hoping you're liking these slow cooker videos. It's something different. I can't get out to the garden at the moment, so I'm sat in the kitchen twiddling my thumbs thinking what to do. So bye for now. It's been about 4 hours now, so we're going to lift the lid off, and this, as you can see, it's cooked down. There's a few where I didn't separate all the meat out, but just squashed that against the side. What I had to do was add another OXO cube, and I added a little bit of Bisto gravy granules to thicken. So there you go. You've got slow cooked minced beef and vegetables for a cottage pie filling, or savoury mince and mashed potato, or, well, you know, it's a savoury mince, so you have it how you want it. You either make it into a cottage pie, or you just have mashed potato and put the savoury mince over the top. It all depends on how I feel. This is about 6 portions here, so again, if I have 1 portion a week, I've got 6 weeks worth of cottage pie filling, what I'll do, I'll let it cool down and portion it up and put it in the freezer. And so yes, that's another slow cooker convenience food bulk bulk prep for anybody who's in a rush. They can just grab something out of the freezer before they go to work, put it in the fridge, and it'll be defrosted. For when they get back, they can just either put it in the microwave or heat it up in the oven. So anyway, thank you very much. Please comment, like, subscribe. Check out down below with whoever makes any other comments, and check out their channels. So bye for now.